back to your maths video. I am your math teacher Jeevita, and in today's video we will be learning Roman numeral systems. I know you all know this, but you will not be familiar of the name. Like when you write your classwork, you start writing like first name, second name, third name. All these are Roman numerals. So you are going to learn about these in detail, and these are called Roman numerals. So what do we write in Roman numerals is normal numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. We write numbers, right? Those numbers we will be representing it in the symbol form. So in Roman numbers, we will write the numbers but not in the number form but in the symbol form. So let's learn those symbols. There is few important symbols that you have to keep in mind. Like for number 1, we always use the symbol I. We can write it like this or just represent it with the straight line I. And for number 5, we have the symbol V. You see this in your English alphabet? V. Similarly, for number 10, you have X. For 50, you have L. And for 100, you have C, and for 500 you have D, and for 1000 you have M. So for writing the numbers in Roman number form, you have to keep these symbols in your mind. So only these symbols we will use, and we will create any number, like from 1 to 1000 or 2000, any number, we use only these many symbols and write the Roman numbers. So let's revise what are the symbols we use. We use, this is I, that is 1, okay. V is 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. So these are the symbols we use. Now let us learn how to use them. Before using them, okay fine, we'll just learn how to use them and then I'll teach you the rules to use them. So how we use? Now I know how to write 1, right? So now let's write 2. I know 1 is I. 2 will be, you can write 2 as 1 plus 1. Am I right? I can write 2 as 1 plus 1. So, I know what is the symbol for 1? It is I. So, this is 1 plus 1 is 2. So, for symbol for I is 1. That is I plus I. So, this I will write it as 2 times I. Like this. I draw 2 straight lines or 2 eyes I draw. Okay, this is 2. Now let's go for 3. So how will I write 3? I write 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Am I right? So how do you write this 1 in Roman numbers? You write I plus I plus I. So I can write it as 3 lines like this. So this will be 3. So in this, next I have to write 4. I can write it as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Am I right? But there is a rule in the Roman numbers, that is, I can't repeat any symbol more than 3 times. I can write only any symbol in this, I can use it like this, only 3 times I can use it. See, I wrote 2 times here, I can use 3 times here, but 4 times I can't. 3 times is the limit. I can't use more than 3 times, same number. So, what will I do is, instead of writing 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, I write it as 5 minus, 5 minus 1. So, what is 5 minus 1? 5 minus 1 is 4. So, I get the 4 now. So, now I will write the symbol of 5 and I should write the symbol of 1 to the left side of this 5. Okay? I write the symbol 1 to the left side. See, this is your right, this is your right and this is your left. Right? So, whenever I am minusing a number, I should always write that symbol to the left side of the number. This is the main number, right? I am minusing 1 from that. So, for minusing, I should always write to my left side. So, I write 1 symbol here. This will be 4. And you already know what is 5. 5 is B. Now, let's go for the next number 6. So, we learned till 5. Now, let's go on to 6. How can I write 6? Can I write it as 5 plus 1 because I get 6? Yes. So, I write 6 as 5 plus 1. How to write 5 in Roman numbers? We write 5 like this. And how do we write 1? You all know, right? We write 1 like this. But now, am I adding or subtracting? That is important. I am adding the 1. So, when I am adding 1, I should write it on right side. So, I write 1 here, the right side. If I am writing anything on the right side, it means I am adding it. If I am writing on the left side, I mean I am subtracting it. So, let's go for next number 7. So, 7 I can take as 5 plus 2. How will I write 5? 5. And I am adding 2. So, I should write 2, this 2 on the right side. 2. Similarly, 8 can be written as 5 plus 3. So, 5, 1, 2, 3. This is 8. 9. When I come for 9, I can't write the lines like this. One more line I can't add it because same symbol can be written only 3 times. I can't write more than 3 times. So, what should I write here is, I can't write 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay? Because I cannot write the number like this. This is not correct. Okay? So, what I'll do is, I will write 9 as 10 minus 1. So, what is the symbol for 10, children? See the symbol here? I can see the symbol for 10 is X. So, I will write X first and I am subtracting 1 means minus. Which side should I write? Right side or my left side? I should write it on my left side. So, 1 I will write it on the left side. This is 9. Now, how to write 10? Directly you have the symbol for 10. 10 is written as X. So, this is numbers from 1 to 10. So, now let's go for 11. So, how do you write 11, children? You write 10 plus 1 is 11, right? So, now I take 11. 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. So, I know the symbol for 10. that is x, and for 1, and I am writing it on the right side because it is adding plus sign. So I write the 1 to the right side. Here I am subtracting, so I write 1 to the left side. Are you clear with this, children? So you get 11 as x and 1. That is 10 plus 1, 11. Similarly, when I want to write 12, I write 10 plus 2. That will be x, 1, 1, 2. So can you guess what is for 13? X, 3, 3. For 14, x is 10 and 4. 1, 4. 14. 15, I write 10 and 5. 15. Similarly, I write 10 and 6. 16. 10 plus 7. I write 17. And so on I can go. How will I write 18? I will write it here next. This is bit. This is till 17. Next is 18. 10 plus 8. 18. 10 plus 9 is 19. How will I write 20? 10 plus 10 is 20. So I write 10 plus 10 is 20. So let's recap here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is how you write 20. So when you want to write 21, you follow the same steps. Write 20 plus 1, 21. 20 plus 2, 22. 20 plus 3, 23. And you keep on writing. For 30, what do you write? For 30, you write x into x into x. This is 30. So can you guess what you can write for 40? So should you write x 4 times? No, because you cannot write the same symbol more than 3 times, children. So what you should do, for 40, I will write 50 minus 10, which is equal to 40. So what is the symbol for 50? 50 is L. And I am subtracting 10, minusing. That means I should write 10 to the left side. This will be 40. Again, 40 plus 1, 41. 40 plus 2, 42. And you go on till 50. And when you reach 50, you will write L. This is equal to 50. So now you have learned Roman numbers from 1 to 50. Same thing, you have it in your textbook in page number 105. And I want everyone to practice this, otherwise you go confused. Once when you write and practice it, children, it will be easy for you. So I want everyone to write this and practice, okay? Now let us go for the exercise sums. Go to page number 106 and write the answers along with me, children. Okay, children, now let's go for the exercise. In the first main, all of you look at the main. Give 2 examples for your daily life where Roman numbers are used. I want you to write this answer, children. I will only say one example where I feel I can use. We use in your classwork books to write the headings like first main, second main. That is the one example I give you. I want you to take different and write it. So I am not giving the answers for the first main. I am going for the second main. Write in Hindu-Arabic number system. Hindu-Arabic numbers are nothing but the normal numbers which we write. So, they have given you in the Roman number form. You have to write it in the Hindu-Arabic form. So, B means first one I have 5 and which side is this one? Right side. So, 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. So, my answer is 7. Next, I take G1. I have 10 plus L, V and 1. So, 10 plus 50. Do you do that like that? No, children. You should always see the greatest number symbol. Which is greatest number in between this? 50 is greater than 10. So, you should say 50 and this is on the left side. So, you will take it as minus 10. 50 minus 10. So, this is 50 and I have 10 on the left side. So, minus 10. What do you get? 50 minus 10? 40. So, this symbol is 40. Now, let's go for this symbol. This is 5 plus 1. That is equal to 6. So, what is the answer? 40 plus 6? 46. So, how to write this? I will show you here. You know this is 40 now. And you know the number here is 6. So, plus 6. Finally, it is 46. You should write the answer like this. Now, let's go for H. After G, go for H. I have X, 1, 3. What is this X plus X? It is 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Plus, what is this number? V is greater, that is 5. 5 minus 1 because it is on the left side. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. So, 20 plus 4 is 24. The answer is 24. Now, let's go for the next I1. After H, I am taking the I question. I have X and L. So, which is greater in this symbol? L is greater. That is 50. So, it will be 50 and minus 10 because it is on the left side. So, minus 10. What is the answer? 40 is my answer. So, I want you to try the rest of the sums and I will go for the third main now. That is exercise 2.1 C main. Write in Roman numbers. So, they have given the number, normal Hindu-Arabic numbers. You have to write them in Roman number form. How will I do that? First one, I have 6. I can write 6 as 5 plus 1. So, I will write B and 1. This will be 6. Now, write for the next. I take G, H and I. Again, same thing for the C main also. G1 is 36. So, I should write 30 plus 6. 6 I already know how to write, no? So, how to write 30? I write X, X, X. This is 30. How will I write 6? Here, V1. This is 36. Now, go for H1. 41. That is 40 plus 1. But how to write 40, children? It is 50 be L minus 10. That is XL. It is 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. Next I have I 25. It's very simple. Write it as 20 plus 5. So how do you write 20, children? X into X. How to write 5? V. So this is the answer. Now let's go for the D main. Fill in the blanks. So I'll write the answers for this here. Only answers. You can copy down. D main, fill in the blank. First one is already done for you. It's example sum. Second one, they have already given x1v. This is equal to 10 plus, what is the other one? It's 4. Okay, write with the question for you not to confuse. So how to write the answer is 10 is already given. Next is, so you can see 10 is already written here, and what is this number? 5 and minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So what is the answer for 10 plus 4? 14. So this number is 14. Now we have 5 plus 3. How to write that? 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Fourth one. I have 3 times x. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is equal to 30. Plus, they have already given 9. What is 30 plus 9? 39. So I have given you the answers for 4. I want you to practice only, try it out children, 5 and 6. And if you are having any doubts, you can ask me in the interactive session. I will surely help you. And we'll meet you in the next video children. Till then, bye-bye.